Okay, this is your 48-hour forecast. Doing this Tuesday evening, the 3rd, around 8 o'clock, and this will take you through Thursday. As you can see, it's cold in the suburbs up here and up here towards Reading and Allentown, out here towards Lancaster. Temperatures are dropping, but into the lower 30s elsewhere. And as you can see, as we go through the overnight hours, here's midnight, and you can see 20s actually down in South Jersey now. Delaware, you're in the 20s. Most of New Jersey, except for certain spots which are close to freezing, are down in the 20s also. As we get into the overnight hours, here's 7 o'clock in the morning. Everybody but Cape May is below 30 degrees. So it's a pretty chilly night out there. We have some precipitation that's going to come across. But this takes you to Wednesday afternoon. Temperatures have rebounded into the mid 30s to lower. And then as we get into Wednesday night, this is around 8 o'clock Wednesday night. Temperatures haven't dropped really fast. The Poconos have dropped into the 20s, and some of the higher elevations in northern New Jersey have dropped around freezing or below. But everybody else is into the middle to upper 30s, and that's because you're got some air flowing from the south, which is going to warm you up. As we get to Thursday morning around 11 o'clock, you can see temperatures in the suburbs have dropped around freezing. Northern New Jersey, you dropped below freezing a little. Everybody else is in the 30s with this thing. And then as we get into the late afternoon hours, you can see that cold air is beginning to slide in. This is around 5 in the afternoon, and you can see the cold air seeping down. Temperatures are dropping into the below freezing and late in the afternoon. And you can see that cold front's coming through and the effect that has as we get into around midnight Thursday night. You got temperatures have dropped into the 20s already, and it's only midnight, so it's pretty cold. Precipitation wise, um, we have some snow and some possibly some rain that's going to come through. This is what we got going on Wednesday, which isn't much, but you're going to see as you get to around 8 o'clock Wednesday night, you have some snow in northern New Jersey. Dropping down, Allentown could start off with a little bit of snow. This isn't shovelable snow. This is very light snow. But as we get to around 10 o'clock Wednesday night, you have some rain out here in Jersey. You get snow in the Poconos. You have a little bit of snow mixed in up this way, but not much. It moves off the coast. And then you got the snow mainly north of 80 up here, around 78 and 80. And you can still see Poconos, northern New Jersey, you get in on the action. And then it works its way across. This takes you to around 4 in the morning, Thursday morning. And you can still see, you can just about tell where that frontal boundary is at here. And then you'll see as it moves through, you can see these are bands of snow that are behind it, and they could drop a quick inch of snow. So don't think you're going to get saved. This is Thursday morning around 7. You can see it's past Reading, and it's coming down here towards Philly. And there could be a burst of snow. I mean, here you go. Here's 9 o'clock in the morning. It's in central New Jersey, and then it goes off the coast and clears. And then behind it, you just have some scattered flurries. Some of those squalls could make it down, and because the wind gusts are going to be in the 40-mile-an-hour range. So beside being cold, you're going to be experiencing some wind chill. These are some of the winds going on. Let's see if I can bring this up here. I got so many buttons to hit. Um, these are the winds. This is Wednesday night around 8 o'clock, and you can see they picked up. These are 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts, 35, 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Off the coast here, some very strong winds. Could be some 50 and 60 mile an hours off the coast if you're out there. And then behind it, you can see as the cold air comes in, winds die down a little bit, but there are still gusts. And then this is as the cold air is coming in. Here's 30 and 40-mile-an-hour wind gusts. So it's going to feel quite cold out there. Let's see if I can bring this up. It's going to feel like teens. And this is during the day on Thursday. It's going to feel like it's in the teens for a lot of areas. And then as you get into the nighttime hours, temperatures are going to feel like here's around Thursday evening around 5 o'clock. And you can see 17 here in Reading. These are some teen numbers up here by Allentown, northern parts of Jersey. you've got teens, and then elsewhere it feels like it's close to 20 degrees. So quite chilly for everybody to feel. And then as we go through the nighttime hours, you can still see it's still pretty cold out there. These are wind chill factors. This is what it feels like on your skin. And again, those are your temperatures dropped into the 20s. Okay, that's your southeastern Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Delaware forecast.